Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning, which only works for your academic enhancement. So let's start learning. Now tell me, is my voice audible to you all? Then please write down yes in the comment box. Okay. Quickly write down. Okay, fine. Now let me tell you how can you join in our live class. So it's very easy. You just have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon to get more notifications. And here are some rules of our live class. So you just have to answer the question which is only asked, and that should be only on the comment box. Okay. And secondly, don't chat with each other. If you start chatting with each other, then you will face problem while watching the videos. And it's a special request to all of you that you just have to make the important points. You just have to make your notes only after watching the video. Okay, it's a permanent video. You can find anytime from your YouTube channel. Okay, so after watching the video, you will watch it again and then you start making your notes. Okay. And as usual, you have all known that Aveti Learning is the number one YouTube channel which only provides you the study materials and learning resources, especially during this COVID-19 pandemic. So here you can see a teacher who never asks for fee. So it is our live class which is absolutely free for all of you. Okay, so now your duty is to subscribe, like, share, and finally don't forget to comment us. Okay, if you still have not subscribed yet, then quickly subscribe to our channel. For that you can get our notification first, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, as usual, you have known that Aveti Learning provides you spoken English class and coding class, and that is also free of cost. Okay, so you just have to register your name in the given link. So here are the link. So the link for the registration for coding class is https://bit.ly/Aveti coding class, and for the registration for spoken English class, and the link is https://bit.ly/Aveti spoken English. So here you can see the class schedule of our YouTube live classes of Aveti Learning. So here you can see there is a minor change. The coding class is on Saturday 7:30 p.m. and our spoken English class and guest lecture series is as usual in their same time. Okay. So now I am sharing you a screen that you can see that so many students are there who have already joined in our live spoken English classes. So this is our previous spoken English class. So if you want to join in our spoken English class, so you just have to register your name in the given link as before I have said. Okay, so already thousands of students have registered their name, so now this is your turn. Okay, so you can join in our WhatsApp group. Now in that WhatsApp group you can get daily session updates And interact with me means you can interact with our Avanti master teachers. Any of your doubts, any of your queries, any kind of questions which are related to your subject, so you can ask them without any hesitation. Then assignments and exam updates, then regular discussion and daily questions. Okay, so you can check our YouTube video description. The WhatsApp link is there. So here also I'm sharing you our WhatsApp group of class 10, and the link is also given. You can note and you can join through this link. So in our previous class we have discussed about the use of both singular and plural verb. So now this is the quiz session as usual. So you just have to fill in the blanks with suitable verbs choosing from the brackets. Okay. So the first one is a lot of pens dash been purchased, and the verb given in the bracket are has or have. Option A, a lot of pens has been purchased. Option B, a lot of pens have been purchased. So what is the right answer? Quickly write down the answer in the comment box. So let me see who have already studied or who have already gone through the topic which is discussed in our previous classes. So quickly write down the answer. Yes, all of you have written the correct answer. Yes, a lot of pens dash been purchased. So here you can see that a lot of, when a sentence starts with a lot of, then according to the number of the noun the verb agrees with that. Okay, so here the right answer is B. A lot of pens have been purchased, because you can see that pens is plural and have is, it is plural noun and have is plural verb. Okay, so here you can see that a lot of pens have been purchased, and the reason is pens is plural noun, and you can see that the rules, if the subject begins with a lot of, a great deal of, a good deal of, plenty of, most of, some of, then the verb agrees with the noun that follows such phrases. Okay, so a lot of, a good deal of, a great deal of, these are the phrases. Okay, so the noun which follows such phrases, according to the number of the noun, the verb agrees with that. Here pens is the plural noun. As it is plural, so here have is also plural, which is used in this particular sentence. So those who have written have, they are correct. And now let's move on to question number 2. A number of students dash to school late, and the verbs given in the bracket is come or comes. Option A, a number of students comes to school late. Option B, a number of students come to school late. So what is the right answer? Quickly write down in the comment box. It is also a tricky question. So now let's see who can write the answer first correctly. Yes. Write down. See, a number of students come to school late, or a number of students comes to school late. And the right answer is option B. A number of students come to school late, because students is plural noun and a number of followed by a plural noun takes a plural verb. But if there is the number of, if you find the number of in a similar situation takes a singular verb as the real subject is the number, means if a sentence begins with the number of something, then it refers to a particular number, so it is genuinely singular. But if it is used as a number of, then the verb is plural. Now let's move on to question number 3. Mukul with his brother dash shot dead, and the verb given in the bracket is was or were. Option A. Mukul with his brother were shot dead. Option B. Mukul with his brother was shot dead. Then what is the right answer? Quickly write down. See, it is a quiz class. So all of you have to participate in this quiz class, and please don't start chatting with each other. Otherwise, you will miss the important questions which are having much more possibilities to be in your coming examinations. Okay, so don't start chatting with each other. Just focus upon your subject, just focus upon your questions and try to write down, okay, the correct answer. And the right answer is yes, all of you have written correct. The correct answer is option B. Mukul with his brother was shot dead. So as usual, we have known that Mukul is a singular noun. If two words are linked with subject, these are the two words, Mukul and his brother. So with the help of connectives, so the connective is with as well as in addition to, together with. So in this sentence with is used. So the verb agrees with the first word. So this is the first word and this is the second word. So the verb agrees with Mukul. So Mukul is singular. So here was is also singular verb. Okay. Question number 4. Either he or I dash guilty, and the verb given in the bracket is or am. Option A. Either he or I is guilty. Option B. Either he or I am guilty. Quickly write down the answer. As usual, you have known that the verb agrees with the nearest noun or the nearest subject. Which is the nearest subject? According to that subject, the verb will be used. So, here are two verbs. One is and another is am. So the nearest subject is I, and I agrees with is or am. Simple. Write down. Yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the right answer is option B. Either he or I am guilty. And the reason is I is a nearer subject to the verb. When the words in the subject are connected by not only but also either or, neither nor, okay, and they differ in number and person, then the verb agrees with the nearer subject. So in this sentence, the nearer subject is I, okay, and I agrees with am. Clear? Now let's move on to question number 5. It is we who dash helping you. It is we who dash helping you. And the verb given in the bracket is or are. Option A. It is we who are helping you. Option B. It is we who is helping you. So quickly write down the answer. So as usual, you have known that this is a relative clause, and in this sentence we are having a relative pronoun, and the verb agrees with the antecedent of the relative pronoun. Antecedent means the previous word. Okay, the previous word of the relative pronoun. Which is the previous word of the relative pronoun? The verb agrees with that previous word. Okay, so here the relative pronoun is who. Relative pronoun is who, and the antecedent of the relative pronoun is we. This is the previous word. Okay, and we is first person plural number. So after we, which verb is used? Simple. And the answer is it is we who are helping you, because we is the first person plural number, and the verb in a relative clause is singular or plural depending upon the number and person of the antecedent of the relative pronoun. So here who is the relative pronoun and we is the antecedent of the relative pronoun who. So as per we, are is used. Clear? So students, today is this much. I am now going to give you some homework, and I'm so happy that all of you have answered so correctly and so quickly and send it to our WhatsApp group. So keep doing homework, okay? So today's homework is fill in the blanks with suitable verbs choosing from the brackets. And the question is, not only the principal but also the teachers dash responsible, and the verb given in the bracket is or are. Option A. Not only the principal but also the teachers is responsible. Option B. Not only the principal but also the teachers are responsible. So you just have to write the correct answer and send it to our WhatsApp group. So this is our WhatsApp group. So you just have to enter your name in the WhatsApp group class 10. So any kind of questions, any kind of doubts, any kind of queries, you can ask us without any hesitation. Okay. You can contact us through Aveti official WhatsApp number, that is 7894040614. Let me tell you that we are providing you free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Aveti Learning. So students, today's this much. We will meet in the new session with some new subject, with some new patterns, with some new structures, with some new quiz classes. So till then, don't go anywhere. Keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Aveti Learning. Thank you.